Most coaching programs are full of fluff. There, I said it. Hi, I'm Morgan with Life Marketing, and I've done my fair share of online learning. The digital marketing world is not unconquerable, but it does require some self-motivation and independent learning. In my heavy learning years, I took courses and trainings, watched videos, and attended seminars. I saw a lot of really good stuff. And I saw a lot of bad stuff. While learning, I've also had years and years of daily hands-on experience and continued education. I've helped small businesses grow. I've done all the things that I set out to learn all those years ago. But not too many years ago, sheesh. Basically, I know where coaching and online training fall flat. So let me show you the problem with most coaching programs and help you to avoid some of the worst ones. But before I get into it, yes, I have a coaching program of my own. I do things differently, but joining is optional. And you should never feel obligated. Even if you're not interested in my coaching program, you should still watch this video so that you know what to look out for and you don't end up spending money on the wrong program for you. For more free learning, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our new videos. Okay, that's enough prologue. Let's get to the good stuff. One of the biggest problems with most coaching programs is that they're way too vague. You may pick up some useful information, but it's often high-level theory or generalities that don't always apply. Or they don't apply to your specific situation. You watch hours of videos and walk away a little confused. It sounds like a lot of information when you're taking it in, but there's not a lot of substance or even actionable takeaways. It's kind of like a word salad. Nice to look at, maybe it was fun, but did it really fill you up? Most coaching programs are full of fluff. There, I said it. The next problem is that they're not proven. This is another thing that I run into a lot. A coaching program run by someone who hasn't actually done what they say they can do. Or they haven't shown that they can replicate those results. You know, the ones who did X for themselves and are selling you their strategy for exactly how they did it for themselves. Some of these coaches have had success by accident. It's no shame, but it's not something that you can replicate or teach because it's an anomaly. But the coaches don't always have enough experience to even know that, or their audience doesn't know the difference. Being able to replicate success, like for multiple clients or for multiple years on end, that is more difficult. And that shows that the coach actually knows what they're talking about. Results can be easy to fake, so you want to make sure that you vet those and look at lots of results. Another issue is that sometimes the coaching calls are all you get. There are no pre-recorded courses, no resource library, no worksheets or calculators. All you have is a quick call with the coach once a month. The coach isn't active in the secret Facebook group, which is a staple that so many coaches promise, and it takes forever to get an email reply if you get one at all. Access to a coach, even once a month, can be helpful if they're providing value, but typically these high-priced coaching programs aren't offering anything beyond the call. And is that one call really worth all that money? I don't think so. Make sure the coaching program that you join offers value outside of those coaching calls, or that those calls are definitely worth it. We're talking someone very big and impressive and serious on the other end of that phone call. Very expensive coaching calls may be the best move for your business, but you want to make sure that that is actually true for you. I've also noticed that a lot of coaching programs require way too much commitment on your part. Many programs require you to buy 6 months or 12 months at a time, and I understand why from the marketing and the business side. The consistency piece is important, and it's consistent money for the coach. But what if you, the buyer, don't connect with the coach? What if you outgrow them in a couple of months? What if they can't help your specific circumstance? What if you get in there and you realize they're really not good for you at this stage of your journey? Then you're stuck in a coaching program that isn't helping you move forward or see results. Coaches can be helpful. This isn't a slander fest for coaches. It's not to say that all coaching programs are bad or that all coaches don't know what they're talking about or are grifters or something. I know that that's not the case, but there are a lot of options out there and some are better than others. Even among good coaches and programs, different coaches will connect with different clients. And you may like the structure of one program over another. Your coach should be someone that you can trust and ask questions of, who you know will give you good information. You also want someone who's willing to hold you accountable, but maybe not be super mean about it. That's a personal preference. I recommend that you shop around, vet your coach, and look for shorter contracts so you can try before making a huge commitment. This should help you avoid some of the worst coaching programs and help you save some money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next videos, and I'll see you soon.